paano mo? Paano mo dito? Ayan. Yan po yung aming kagawad. Siya po yung tumata yung panganay namin sa lalaki ngayon. Hoy!
Yesterday, you said you loved me, and now you leave me forsaken, alone, sick in my heart. Lord, love said ever my darling, never alone. This love. Just kiss me once again before you go, before you leave me now, before you go.
Yan!
Lord, love is forever, darling, never alone. You say. Just kiss me.
By transfer, Mario.
Once again.
Tapos, tatawag na siya.